Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a logo on your sticky and transparent header in Shopify Horizon theme. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. And this will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Then scroll down to the Theme Library section, where you will find the Horizon theme. Then click Customize to proceed to the Shopify editor. To add a logo, click on the Theme Settings icon right here. Click Logo and Favicon. Then you can upload your own logo from your computer in this default logo section. Next, just upload the inverse logo for your transparent header down here in the inverse logo section. But you first need to remove the background of your default logo before uploading it to the inverse logo section. You can use this website as a background remover, and the link will be available in the description box below. And that is how you can add a logo on your sticky and transparent header in Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.